Hello everyone, this is the new video by Flash Trade One where I'm going to explain that how to learn forex trading by following Flash Trade One signals. So we have many inquiries from our client that they want to learn the forex trading, but they ask us for the PDF, they ask for materials to learn the forex trading, but Flash Trade One believes that reading PDFs, reading materials online on internet, it is not going to work if you are planning to earn from forex. So what we believe is either start trading through demo account or open a real account and invest or deposit $50, $100, as much as you can, and trade with smallest lot size. We daily, means every trading day, we post the free signals on our Telegram channel. Today the date is February 2nd, 2020, and even today we posted the signal on Telegram channel. We trade on major currency pairs, gold and US oil. So, and we give the signals on the currency pairs which have the high volatility, high liquidity. So in trading signals, you can follow them and start learning. When you will trade live, then you will realize, you will experience that what kind of we could say problems will come while you are trading signals, okay, while you are trading actually forex. So we have a complete different video on explaining that how to trade with, or you can say that how to trade with our Flash Trade One free signals that we sent on our Telegram channel. I'll add the link of this video in the description, so you can follow these free signals that we post on Flash Trade One major news trading Telegram channel with 15,000 subscribers. So already 15,000 traders are following us and the signals, and they earn high profit from the signals. Now when you realize that either trading the demo account or trading on real account by small capital, when you realize that you have started making the profit, then go with the real account if you are following the demo account, and if you are trading with small capital, then you can invest the higher capital. And by trading either with demo account or small real account, then if you feel that trading is not your job, okay, then you can go, but you have the money to invest in forex, okay, you are very much interested in forex, but you are not able to trade by yourself. Either you have a full day job, or you have your own work, or either emotions is making problem for you, then you can go with Flash Trade One mirror trading service, where we handles the client account and the client just need to invest their money in MT4 account and just share the MT4 details with us. So this is the entire path, you can say, if one starts learning forex. So how you can follow the entire path if you have any query at any of this step, either trading on demo account or on real account, or investing capital, or how to join our mirror trading service, then you can ask our Telegram or WhatsApp executive. They will guide you and you can start learning from forex today itself using Flash Trade One free signals that we sent on Telegram channel. Along with this, we share lots and lots of educational videos on our Telegram channel, so don't miss to watch them, because through these videos you will be able to know that whether what kind of improvement you can bring in your trading, and what you can do to increase your profit. So you can always follow these videos that we post on Telegram channel. Hope this video was useful to you. Keep subscribing our channel in order to get Flash Trade 1 every videos. We'll meet in the next video. Goodbye, take care, and have a happy trading.